What if I told you that the next billion-dollar business could be started from your dorm room? Welcome to the era of digital business and innovation, where creativity meets technology to redefine industries and create limitless opportunities. But how do you navigate this fast-paced world? What are the drivers, risks, and opportunities? And most importantly, how can you position yourself for success in the next 5 years? Let's dive in. The digital business revolution is being driven by 3 key factors. First, consumer behavior. People now expect instant access to products and services online. Second, technology advancements. Cloud computing, AI, and blockchain are making it easier than ever to launch and scale businesses. And third, global connectivity. The internet has turned local startups into global players overnight. These drivers are creating unprecedented opportunities for graduates with innovative ideas and digital skills. Globally, the digital business market is projected to reach $6.8 trillion by 2025, growing at a CAGR of over 12%. In Indonesia, the story is even more exciting. As one of the fastest-growing digital economies in Southeast Asia, Indonesia's digital business sector is set to grow at 17% annually, driven by e-commerce, fintech, and edtech. Indonesian companies like Gojek, Shopee, Blibli, Tokopedia, and Bukalapak are leveraging digital innovation to disrupt traditional industries. This means more job opportunities and entrepreneurial possibilities for graduates like you in the next 5 years. So where do you fit in this ecosystem? Think of digital business as a collaborative network. At the core, entrepreneurs identify problems and create solutions. Around them, product managers design user-friendly platforms, while marketers drive customer engagement. And behind the scenes, data analysts ensure decisions are backed by insights. For most graduates, starting as a product manager or marketer is the perfect entry point. It's hands-on, impactful, and gives you the foundation to move into leadership or entrepreneurship. Where's the money coming from? Globally, the biggest revenue streams are e-commerce and fintech. In Indonesia, edtech and healthtech are also gaining traction. For example, platforms like Ruanguru and healthtech are transforming education and healthcare through digital innovation. If you're passionate about solving real-world problems, these sectors are where you'll find the most opportunities. But with great opportunity comes great risk. Digital businesses face challenges like cybersecurity threats, market competition, and privacy concerns. For example, how do you protect customer data or differentiate yourself in a crowded market? The solution? Build expertise in cybersecurity, market research, and user experience design. Learn frameworks like GDPR and prioritize ethical practices. It's not just good business, it's essential for long-term success. So what's your roadmap? Start by mastering the basics. Learn digital marketing tools like Google Analytics, and get comfortable with platforms like Shopify or WordPress. Next, earn certifications in digital transformation or business innovation from platforms like Coursera or LinkedIn Learning. Then, gain real-world experience through internships or freelance projects. By 2025, companies will be desperate for talent who can innovate and adapt. Be that person, or better yet, start your own venture. The future belongs to those who prepare for it. Digital business and innovation aren't just shaping the world, they're shaping your future. Are you ready to lead the charge?